I've here prepared, digitization is advancing all the time. I can tell you that this does not stop working at the construction industry. A big buzzword here is BIM, Building Information Modeling. The planning should become digital. Does that have advantages? I think definitely. And with the BIM module, I can show you these right now. I prepared here a building in Autodesk Revit, and some of you will perhaps know it. It is our headquarters here in Leer. The goal is to send the information from Revit to LogiKal as easy and fast as possible, make it better, and send it back again. For this purpose, we have a plugin available which can be installed easily from LogiKal and then can be found here in the ribbon of Autodesk Revit. So, to show you how it works, we select here this small window. And we can transfer it with one click directly to LogiKal. So, the informations get packed and LogiKal opens automatically. And we create here a new project. So we can here select the needed folder and take a project name. Okay, we can also choose a quotation number and out of the address database, the data from our client. Every windows which are now in use are known windows from the normal LogiKal. So we go now through the project preferences, and a small tip by the way, if you regularly use the same preferences, set them at global defaults, then you will be just as fast as I am here. Also, the creation of the position starts by its own, and we select here, when we can select here our system preferences window. Okay, and from Revit, the element size is transferred directly, and we have just to select the insert. The rest is fully automatic according to your project preferences. So we have now reached the position with additional information, e.g. about profiles and color and so on. And of course, this should be now integrated in our Revit model again. And as you can already see, this runs also automatically. For this purpose, the so-called Revit family gets updated and the additional informations were here assigned. So if we now select here the window again, and I can draw the building for that, we can see that the window looks like a real window in LogiKal. And on the left side, you see additional information like the system, supplier, and U value or the color. Isn't that wonderful simple? And of course, the whole thing works with many different elements. And if you don't have Revit and LogiKal available on one computer, you can also export these necessary files here and import them in LogiKal and bring them on the same way here back to Revit. I would